Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set access level in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here I have opened my spreadsheet in my Google Sheets and we're going to set the access level in this Google Sheet. So the first thing we have to do is click on the share button. Then as you can see that my Google Sheets file is still restricted, so another user cannot access this file. So we're going to change the access. So just click on this button, then we can click on anyone with the link so other users can access this file. And then if we want to set the access level in this Google Sheets, we can click on this button and we can select either viewer, commenter, or editor. And for me, I'm gonna go with editor, so I'm just going to click on editor, and now the access has been updated and we can click on done. Alright guys, and that's how we can set access level in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching guys.